Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or the Bugs collection. This time, guys, it's none other than the Caballito del Diablo or the Damselfly. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like these bugs, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs, and we have a picture of the Caballito del Diablo, which in English is called the Damselfly. And here, guys, it says learn everything about mites. So let's go ahead and let's open this up. Here it gives you a little description. It talks about their habitat and it gives some general observations about them. Here you have a picture of the slide and it shows you all of the different pieces and parts of the insect. And guys, don't worry, I will show you the slide in just a moment. And then over here we can see the different scientific classification for this bug. And well, let's continue on. Here, as I said before, it talks about mites, which are tiny little insects that drink blood. Yum. Here it gives you all of the pieces, parts. And here it says owners of the planet, because there's so many different species. And here it gives some of their different habitats. And here it says that they have diverse strategies for getting their food. Some are in water, others are on land. They have different hunting strategies as a result. And evidently they like to live in your bed. Mwahaha. I guess that's why they always say, like, change your mattress every such and such years. Blah blah blah. That sort of thing. And over here, it gives some puzzles and a quiz. Just like always. And well guys, that's the end of that. Let's just flip to the front. And well guys, now it's time to check out our brand new Damselfly. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out the Damselfly. As you guys could probably already tell, it looks very similar to a dragonfly. There you can see a bit its head. And its side. Its back, you can see its wings there. And its other side. And for those of you just tuning in to this collection, these bugs in this collection are 100% real. They're not fake, they're not replicas. They were in one point real bugs. So that's like a little interesting thing. So it's like you have your own little specimen, which is nice. So you guys tell me, what do you guys think about our new Damselfly? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure to hit the bell. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I also have links to all of my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on all of those. I hope to see you guys on there. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Paraginer. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. You know. I will have his links down in the description below. Well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.